Hi friends, this is your plant lover Neil and you are watching Plant Smiler. In today's video, I'll show you how to propagate lemongrass. This will be a detailed step-by-step video as always. I'll be showing you how to propagate lemongrass from division. That is, we take a single lemongrass plant and we simply divide the roots into multiple plants. So that way from a single plant you can get multiple lemongrass plants. So without wasting much time, let's go downstairs to my lemongrass plant and let's start the division and propagation and cloning of your lemongrass. Welcome friends to my backyard garden, and this is the plant that will be transplanting, the lemongrass plant. You can see it's not in that good shape because it's been in this container, it's around 15-inch pot, for quite a long time. It requires the soil to be replaced, and that's one of the reasons for me to propagate this. The second reason is I'll be using the propagated plant in my terrace garden because they do quite well with full sun. If the heat is not that much, there are perfect conditions for growing on the terrace. So to propagate them, we'll be using the division method where we'll be separating the plants into different small plants by dividing the roots. And to do that, we have to remove the planter. I have tried previously to dig it up and remove the plant, but normally what happens in this growing condition, especially with the soil that I'm using, is the roots are quite bound, and while digging it up the roots gets damaged quite a lot, and then it requires a lot of time for it to come back up. So I'll be using a different method. I'll be removing the planter and then I'll be watering it down to remove the soil. So that way I'll be minimizing the amount of root damage that the plant will have. So now let's start with the removal of the container. Since this is a plastic grow bag, you can simply unroll it like this. It should come out. You can see this is the root ball. There. See, this soil is quite hard. It does not have that much amount of organic matter. We'll be replacing it with 50% organic compost, so that way it will not be root bound, and you can see how thick the soil is. Okay, some roots will get damaged eventually, but we have to minimize. Here we have got rid of the container. Okay, that much got damaged, no problem. Now we'll be using this pipe to water it down. Place it at an angle so that we get a nice. Here you see how fine the roots are. Because of this problem we end up destroying the roots quite easily. Okay friends, after a lot of watering, you can see now only the bare roots are left. There will be some soil, but that will be difficult to remove. But now it's good enough. Now we can easily create multiple plants from this single lemongrass plant. Okay friends, we'll be transplanting them in these 4 containers. Soil medium, I've taken almost 100% pure organic compost. This compost was created using dried leaves. As you can see, some of them are still not decomposed, and we have also used pigeon manure in this, so it's quite strong, but it's quite good for growing plants like lemongrass because they require high amount of nitrogen. So we'll now perform the division. You can see over here this is the root system, and we want to divide this in 4 plants. Like one plant can be this, 1 2 3 4. So we'll be dividing this plant using this blade. I'll be cutting off the root system, so take as clean and cut as possible. And root ball, and try remove a bit of this potting soil. Some more. We'll add this over here. And this another one. Okay, so that's how we created our first division. You can see. Now you have to keep this in indirect sunlight because even with so much care there will be root loss, so you have to protect this plant till the time it got away from the shock of transplantation, and once it's completely established we can then transplant it into a bigger container. So I'll place it over here at present where it does not receive direct sunlight. Okay, similarly we'll do the same thing in the remaining plants. You can see this got separated without any root system. This also got separated. This is dead plant. Remove this. Okay, even without the root system, the fine root system, this has got roots over here. You can see these roots will develop further. Because we could not get the entire root system on this, we have to take more care about with this plant. We'll be adding a humidity dome to this so that it does not dry out. Okay, you can remove the dead parts of the plant like this. This is quite green. Yeah, this has got a root system, you can see over here. And this, okay, like this. You can add these 4 plants over here, and okay, there you go. This is our third lemongrass plant. I'll keep this again in the shade. Now we'll separate out the last plant. You can see this dead parts you can remove. This will ensure that only healthy plant is present. There. This, since we did not get any root system on this, we'll have to protect it. We'll be using humidity dome as well as providing it indirect sunlight so that for the initial 1 month period they do not get stressed out. Okay, we'll now water all of them thoroughly till the time we get water out from the bottom. So that's how you propagate lemongrass from division. You can see from a single plant we got 4 different plants. Okay friends, couple of days have passed and you can see these are the lemongrass plants that we propagated using division. I did not show you exactly how I prepared this, that's why I'm showing you right now. Basically because the roots were disturbed so much, so I have first of all I have added these humidity domes. You can see these plastic bags, and then I've also trimmed them to almost around, you can see around 5 inches from the soil. So all other part I have removed the green leaves. You can see this is how tall they are now. You can see I've chopped up all the leaves. This is to ensure that they do not die of water loss. Through leaves, the water is lost by the plant through transpiration. So I have left only a little bit of leaves, you can see, and they are doing quite well. It has been a couple of days and the leaves have not dried out till now. So I think they all will be successful. So this is how I have used sticks to support the bag so that they do not collapse on it. You can see over here these sticks I have used. So similarly I have done for all the other 3 pots. If you have a plastic PET bottle, you can create a humidity dome like this. I'm propagating mint on this. I've got a video of how to propagate mint from using 3 methods. You can check that out. So it should be ready within a month's time. After 15 days, I will try shifting it out of the humidity dome into a partially shaded environment and see whether they are able to adjust with the humidity conditions. Because now rainy season has started, so there is enough humidity in the air, so it should succeed. I'll be posting an update video after a month or so, and at that time I expect there will be new growth in these all the 4 plants. Make sure to hit that bell icon to get notified as soon as we release that update video. I hope friends you like this video. If yes, smack that like button. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Plants My Love. We've got multiple propagation videos on my channel. I'll provide you a link on down in the video description listing all the videos. So if you like this video, you might also like those videos. Make sure to hit that bell icon to get notified as soon as we release new videos. This is Neil signing off. Bye bye.